Hello and welcome to another edition of Igbo in the Diaspora. Today, we're going to learn simple Igbo words about dressing and clothing. These are words you can start using immediately. Kaibido. Let's begin. Clothes in Igbo is called we. Repeat after me. We. Good job. Now cap is called okpu. Say it. Okpu. Nice one. Shoes are called akpụkpụ. Akpụkpụ. Say it again. Good job. Now, a shirt is called welu. Say it. Welu. One more time. Good job. Good job. Now, trousers are called weuku. Say it. Weuku. Good job. Now let's say them again together. We, clothes. Okpu, cap. Akpụkpụ, shoes. Welu, shirt. Weuku, trouser. Nice one. Now we're moving over to the traditional dressing words. These are clothes traditionally known in the Igbo language and culture. So the first one is the lion head fabric. It is called isi ago. Say it again. Isi ago. Good job. For the men, they wear red caps. It is called okpumeme. Say it. Okpumeme. Good job. Now, the traditional Igbo attire is incomplete without beads. Beads are called aka in Igbo. Now, repeat after me. Aka. Good job. Now, for the women, they wear head ties. The head ties are called echafu. Isi. Echafu. Isi. Good job. Now this lesson is not going to be complete. We don't use some of these new words and sentences. So now the first sentence we are going to be translating into the Igbo language is I am wearing clothes. In Igbo, it is eyim we. Say it. Eyim we. Good job. Now the next sentence is he is wearing a cap. It becomes oyi okpu. Repeat after me. Oyi okpu. Good job. Today you have learned simple Igbo words connected to dressing and clothing. Practice them daily and try using them in conversations. Subscribe for more Igbo language lessons. Kodi. Goodbye for now.